In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet directly through Gmail. This feature is incredibly handy for those of us who manage our daily communications and meetings via email, allowing for a seamless transition from sorting emails to jumping into virtual meetings. Within the next 5 minutes, you'll be fully equipped to handle any Google Meet invite you receive in your Gmail, ensuring you won't miss out on any important discussions or collaboration opportunities. First things first, we're going to start at the very beginning. Picture this. You've just logged into your Gmail account and you're staring at your inbox. This is your communications hub where all your interactions are stored. But for now, we're focusing on one specific type of interaction, a Google Meet invite. These invites are sent by colleagues or friends who want to include you in a video meeting. You've probably seen them before. They look like any other email, but they contain a special link to a Google Meet session. Once you've identified an email with a Google Meet invite, it's time to engage. Click on that email to open it and locate the Google Meet link within. This link is your golden ticket into the meeting, but hitting it isn't where the journey ends, it's actually just getting started. Upon clicking the link, you'll be taken away from Gmail and brought into the Google Meet interface. Here's where you'll see the video meeting that's about to happen or is already underway. Now, unless you're the host, your next step is to request access to join the meeting. This is a security feature to ensure that only invited guests can enter. So, go ahead and click on Ask to Join. You'll then find yourself in a virtual waiting room of sorts. While it might seem a bit awkward waiting here, know that it's only temporary. The meeting organizer will be alerted that you're waiting and can admit you into the meeting with just a click. Once you're admitted, you'll be part of the Google Meet video conference, ready to participate fully. Remember, the whole process of joining a Google Meet via Gmail is designed to be as straightforward and hassle-free as possible. However, there are a couple of pro tips to keep in mind. First, ensure that your computer's camera and microphone are in good working order before you join the meeting. This might seem obvious, but it's easy to forget, especially if you're in a rush. Secondly, if you're early or if for some reason the host is running late in admitting you into the meeting, use this time wisely. Check your audio and video settings within Google Meet to avoid any technical issues once the meeting starts. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've gone from viewing an invite in your Gmail inbox to actively participating in a Google Meet video conference. This integration between Gmail and Google Meet is just one of the ways that our digital tools are becoming more connected, making our lives a bit easier in the process. So the next time you receive a Google Meet link in your Gmail, you'll know exactly what to do. Thank you for watching, and here's to seamless communication in our increasingly digital world.